I have a project with lots of layers at different timings and with different durations. You can select multiple layers by long pressing on the layer thumbs and sliding your finger up or down. You can also select all layers through this menu. Once the layers are selected, you will find Stretch Layer to Playhead and Move Layer to Playhead icons right here. The playhead is this line in the timeline. Stretching the layers to the playhead increases the duration of each individual layer to where the playhead is, and moving layers to the playhead keeps the duration as is and just moves the layer to where the playhead is. That worked. But now when I try to make the layer stretch to the playhead at the end, we can't because the option does not exist. Huh? This is a bug. To fix it, just deselect the longest layer that ends at the same place as where the playhead is. The same can be done for trimming.